Welcome. If you want to set up a face unlock in your Realme C15, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and then tap on device and the password. Click on the add face, read the description, and after a few seconds you will be able to click on the continue. And right now we have to input the lock method, the first one. If you cannot recognize the face or something happened to your front camera, then you will be able to unlock your device. So I'm going to switch for the simple pattern, so draw it 2 times. And right now you have to read the description one more time and then just tap on the continue. And as you can see right now, the smartphone is trying to scan our face, so we have to keep it like that. Just keep it a little bit closer, I think. Okay, and the face recognition is ready, so right now we can try to unlock. So let's go back to our main screen, lock device, unlock, and as you can see right now the lock key is unlock, so we can just make this swipe gesture to unlock our device. And right now when we put the finger on the camera, we cannot use the face unlock. And right now when we make the swipe gesture, we have to input our second lock method. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.